Hey guys, welcome back to the Wood Metal Workshop. I'm Kent. So, a little housekeeping today. Work boots. Nothing wrong with boots, except for the toes are worn out. That's what happens when you work. Steel toe. And, you know, you could throw these away, but, you know, they're $200 for good ones. Anyhow, Redwing has this Tuff Toe stuff. I've used it on other boots. I'm just going to go show you the process for cleaning these up, applying the stuff to them, and bring these boots back to life. Oh yeah, doing this before, well actually we're supposed to get snow today, but I always oil these really well before winter, and stuff doesn't stick to oil. So while the boots are fairly oil free, we're going to go ahead and clean them up, get the Tuff Toe on them, and then we'll oil them after that's all cured out. So let's get going. They sell this as a complete kit. I'm sure there's other manufacturers. This is the brand I've used. I pick it up at my local Redwing store. It comes with everything you need, including the directions. It's been a couple years, so I am going to go ahead and read through this real quick and see what it says. So, directions say clean, sand, apply. So that's what we're going to do. But first it wants you to outline the area. I kind of like the outline that they have on here. Kind of comes up and in and across and then back and down. So this one's pretty roughed up already, but we're going to go ahead and sand these up. So I'm just using the tape to define the area I want to cover. So I'm just using a 1-inch tape and lining it up with the same point on each boot. Then I'm just going to do the same. 1 inch isn't enough. It's too much here. More than I need. So we'll just switch to 1.5-inch tape. That'll give me that defined edge I want. There. Now they're roughly the same. The tape isn't sticking to the leather all that great, but it should suffice. There we go. Just evenly put your tip in. Dispense a 2-inch line. And then wait 15 seconds. Okay. And then apply. Okay. Set that one aside. Do the other one. Same thing. Since I've got some left where the hole was, where it was worn all the way through, I'm just going to apply a little bit more here. Just even it out a little bit. Okay. If you're doing a small pair, you're not doing this much, you got some left over, directions say you can go ahead and take this out, push out a little bit till it comes out clear, then go ahead and put the cap back on. I don't think there's enough left in there to worry about it. There we go. Let that cure for 24 hours, and we'll take a look at the final product. Alright guys, we're all ready to go. Toe's protected, hole sealed up in the leather. This one's a little rough, didn't do a very good job on this one, but it'll work. I've used this stuff before, that's why I went with this. It's the Redwing Shoes Tuff Toe. If I remember, link down in the description to get this on Amazon. Anyhow, comes with everything you need. The stuff, a mixing spoon, or a tongue depressor or wooden stick to help smooth stuff out, the sandpaper, and the directions. Like I said, I've used it before. I like it. It's done a good job. I think this is the 4th pair of boots I've done this on. So the first one I paid to have Redwing Store do this, and this last 3 sets, including this one, I've done it myself. They do a little bit better job than I do. Anyhow, it's done. Time to get back to work. Catch you in the next one.